Polly and the Mushroom Soup. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Polly who did not like mushrooms. One day, Polly went to visit her neighbor, Mrs. Wang. Mrs. Wang had a lovely garden and a cozy kitchen where she loved to cook. Mrs. Wang invited Polly into the kitchen and showed her a basket of fresh mushrooms she had just picked from her garden. Polly watched as Mrs. Wang carefully cleaned the mushrooms and sliced them into thin pieces. Next, Mrs. Wang heated some butter in a pot and added the mushrooms, letting them cook until they were soft and fragrant. Polly was intrigued by the wonderful smell filling the kitchen. Mrs. Wang then added some vegetable broth and a little cream to the pot, stirring everything together. As the soup simmered, the aroma became even more delicious. Mrs. Wang blended the soup until it was smooth and creamy. She poured the mushroom soup into a bowl and handed it to Polly. Polly took a small sip of the soup, and to her surprise, it was delightful. The mushroom soup was rich, creamy, and full of flavor. Polly smiled and continued to eat, enjoying every spoonful of the delicious soup. From that day on, Polly looked forward to eating mushrooms. She learned that mushrooms were not only nutritious, but also very tasty when made into a special dish like mushroom soup. Mushrooms became one of Polly's favorite vegetables.